Do you sometimes need to modify a purchase order after it has been released to a supplier? Maybe you want to change the quantity, change the delivery date, and so on. Let's see how this is done on the OpteriX workflow automation platform. So this is a pending purchase order. We can just modify the quantity. Supposing you want to increase the quantity to 450 and save it. That's done readily, no problems. But now let's try opening a purchase order which is confirmed. Like this one is confirmed. So we will double click on that. And okay, now supposing we want to change the quantity on this, right? We will make it 410 and try to save it. And this is saved as draft. Draft purchase orders can be found in the drafts folder like that, and they can be edited if required. Just double click on that, and supposing you want to change the quantity, you can do it right here and save it, and it's saved as a draft. Now let's verify that this PO in fact has been saved as a draft and that the actual PO is still as it was earlier. So the earlier quantity was 400 and we changed it to 415 as you can see here. Now let's hit this print button. As we will see, the quantity in this PO has remained at 400 and the changes that were made to the PO have stayed in the draft. The original PO is unaffected. The original PO will change only after the admin has approved the PO. We will now log out and then log in again as an admin user. Now we are logging in as an admin user. We will go to the menus. See, more menu options are available for the admin, and we go to the drafts and double click on the purchase order. It is what was changed, and assuming we are happy with this, we can just hit save and it will be saved as the PO. The object has been saved. This is good. Now we can verify that the changes have been in fact reflected in the PO by going back to the print button and see what we see here. It is 415. The quantity has changed. This means the draft has been saved into the database. Now whatever we share with the suppliers etc. will be the approved version.